Unlock crisp, professional video for your online presence by turning your Nikon Z30 into a powerful webcam. First, let's get your Nikon Z30 ready by ensuring it's charged. A fully charged battery means uninterrupted streaming. Now, head over to the official Nikon website you're looking for the support or downloads section. This is where we'll find the magic software. On the support page, search for Nikon Webcam Utility. This is a free application that bridges your camera and laptop. Once you find it, select the correct version for your operating system, Windows or Mac OS, and proceed with the download. Patience is key, as it might take a minute or two. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click it to launch the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the Nikon Webcam Utility. Accept the license agreement and choose the default installation options. The installation process is straightforward. Just click through until you see a confirmation that the software has been successfully installed. With the software installed, it's time to connect your camera. Use the USB-C cable that came with your Z30 to connect it directly to your laptop. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application. Go into the video settings, and you should see Nikon Webcam Utility as an available camera option. Select it, and voila! Your Nikon Z30 is now your high-quality webcam, ready for crystal clear video calls and vibrant live streams. Enjoy your upgraded visual experience.